Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make TikTok video with your own voice. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can click on this plus button to start creating new posts. And for example, I'm just going to upload a file from my device. So I'm going to click on upload. Then I'm going to add my own voice to my post. For example, I'm just going to upload this photo. Okay, and if we want to add our own voice to this TikTok video, we can click on this little arrow. Then we just need to scroll down a little bit, and here we can click on this voice option. Okay, and to add your own voice, you can click on record. Then the recording process will be started. We can also add a voice folder. Right here, there are a lot of categories you can use for your voice. And I guess that's how we can make TikTok a video with our own voice on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.